static music, dreaming, yeah. Too many living a lie, afraid of failing and the pain, so they ain't give it a try. Probably got a little beauty living inside. If you just give it some time, it could grow to something incredible. A little bit of faith transforming into a miracle. Here we go, you can turn it up in your stereo, like Jay Dilla was here. Now put your hand in the air, an L sign, cause the spirit is near. In the industry, everybody try to fulfill a career. I honestly really care about the situation they got us in. Got a lot on my chest, I guess I can't keep it bottled in. Young girls wanna be on the screen modeling, following vixens instead of applying for colleges. It's important that you're holding it down. Gotta stay true to yourself in this moment of time. I'm hoping you find exactly what you're looking for out here. I know that you can do it without fear. Remember, you can be whatever you want. Never forget that whatever you're giving now is whatever you get back. Be whatever you want, whatever you wanna do. It will never be another you, another you. Education is something we need to focus on. Make it a little fun for youngins to get involved in. Just wanna see a greater day for the youth. Instead of feeding them lies, it's better telling the truth. We should be working together, we better be in a group. If you're doing the right thing, then you better get in the loop. Cause I could care less about selling them records. I want you to understand it can change in a second. The past, the present, the future, this life is a blessing. Believe in your dreams is something I'm always suggesting. A positive influence is you're leading the way. Couple role models, what we need in the day. And needless to say, I'm praying that we all get along. I'm recording this song since the moment it's wrong. I want you to know that you can be anything you're imagining. Sky's the limit, remember that you're a captain, kid. It's important that you're holding it down. Gotta stay true to yourself in this moment of time. I'm hoping you find exactly what you're looking for out here. I know that you can do it without fear. Remember, you can be whatever you want. Never forget that whatever you're giving now is whatever you get back. Be whatever you want, whatever you wanna do. It will never be another you, another you. Black hair, cinnamon skin, she one of the baddest out. Everyone trying to ask her out. Sure they got class, ass, style. She got a little chinky eyes, thick thighs, baby girl, she be so exotic. She got a little sexy body, always shut it down when she hit the party. You're probably thinking after a drink or two that you could try, but there's really no chance in hell. Nobody next to her, shawty so super fly. You don't wanna know what she do to guys that go nuts. She's so stupid fine, hold up, she's so on top. Mommy make her body rock, they saying it's so amazing, lava hot. She don't need nobody, break your heart and she ain't sorry, nah. Homie, face it, you a toy that she enjoyed to play with. She got a look in her eyes that it's no surprise if you're going crazy.